Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. So in this video we are going to see how to add standard toolbar buttons. So this will be very short video and we have to access the quick menu option to add the standard toolbar buttons, and these are all the videos from our previous parts. So if you see the option here, insert standard items, so that's the option we will access from the quick task item, and this will automatically insert the standard toolbar buttons. Now we will go to demo and see how to insert that. So here is our project. Just click the toolbar, then access the quick menu item, then select insert standard items, and you can see all the standard items are inserted here, and our buttons are coming first. So what we have to do, we should go for edit items, so I'm holding the control key and selected all these four, including this group box. Okay, multi selection is not allowed, then we have to do it manually. Since it's a one-time task, Microsoft doesn't provide selecting multiple items and moving it together. Alright, now you can see our buttons are here, and these are all the standard toolbars. So if you need, you can handle the event for all this. Now there is no implementation, so if I click, nothing happens. And when we inserted the standard toolbar items, you can see how Microsoft separated the buttons. So these are all file related options: new, open, save, print, or we can say a document related option. And then there is a separator. After that, clipboard related operations are coming out: cut, copy, and paste. Alright, then this help menu is also from part of the standard toolbar, and these three are added by us. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.